What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoWolves and today we will be talking about the Gelotto airdrop. This airdrop is for Atom, OSMO, JUNO, Secret, Stars, NETA, and I will be covering everything that you need to know about this. So let's get into it right away. The claim date was on 21 July 2022. You can see right here the website to claim it, and here we can see right at it what they are doing, what are the requirements, and how many qualified addresses, what was the snapshot date. You can see everything right here. So come check this out. I will be sharing this website in the description, so make sure to use it. So now let's get into it. Click onto the website. What is this? All right, required stake amount, airdrop amount. Nice, nice. The amount of GLTO for which you qualify is based on the amount of each asset you staked at the time of our snapshot, or in the case of NETA, how much you were holding. The secret portion of the airdrop can be claimed at a later date. See snapshot info for details. Alright. Check. Claim. Alright. Click onto it. Then take the lowest. Approve. Then we are approving this into our ledger. That's a long transaction. Approved. Congrats, you got the airdrop. Alright. Now, if you want some more information about if you can trade it, what it's worth, let's come back to the website. Let's do a shout out to Cosmos Perk. This is a really handful website. You can do a lot with it. It provides a lot of information, tools, charts, everything you have to. So if you come back to the website of Cosmos Perk, we see right here the Gelotto airdrop. You see everything. We go to the downside, we click onto this. From here we can find more information on claiming the airdrop. We already done that. But when will it be available for trading? Staking GLTO as the house. So click onto this website. Let's go down. Now we see the airdrop overview, what it will be about. Airdrop qualifications. That's already what we have done. After the airdrop, where to get GLTO. Alright. So as we can see right here, they will do liquidity pools on Osmosis Lab and JUNO Swap. I was already looking at JUNO Swap, but I couldn't find GLTO. No, I could not find it. So if you look right here, approximately 1-2 weeks after the airdrop, liquidity pools will be created on Osmosis Lab and JUNO Swap to enable GLT tokens to be acquired and exchanged. So then we can know what the airdrop is worth. So if you click onto this, Frontier Osmosis Zone, every website will be dropped in the description. Make sure to use that. Alright, if you come to the website, you just log in. Click onto this GLTO. Alright, it's this one. So now if you look at it, it's not right here because we have to withdraw it to here, but we can look how much it's worth. So if we look at USDC, let's see, $1,007. So it was 6,000. So it's $42. It's not that much, but it's something. But if you want to have your GLTO and you want to sell it right away, you can just go to assets, just go to this, do GLTO, and then you just deposit it, proof. You can see the 6,000. You do max, you just deposit it, and then right away you can trade it here. So that's how you can sell it. That's how you can know how much your airdrop is worth. And staking, there will be more information about that also. So let's take a look at that. After the launch of the Gelotto platform, so this is the future roadmap. Staking is not guaranteed, I see. At that time, the ability to stake GLT tokens to act as the house in games of blackjack will be offered, enabling investors to earn or sometimes lose variable amounts of rewards over time. The odds are in favor of the house, so over time, staking in this manner is statistically expected to generate yields, similar to traditional staking but with variable amounts due to the gambling nature of the Gelotto platform. Alright. So yeah, staking will be in the future. I'm seeing expected August 2023. So yeah, this will take some time. But for now, you can see if you can sell it or not. You see what you do. I may be selling it. I'm taking a look what I'm going to do, but I'm not deciding that right away. But let me know in the comments, what are you going to be doing with the airdrop? Are you going to be selling it? Are you going to be holding it? Are you waiting for the future roadmap? What is your plan? Let me know, and I will see you into the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.